stand by for an important message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. Listen carefully. We need your help. The Carrollton Police Department is searching for Rosemary Lee Singer, white, female, 10 years old, March 20th, 2010, 5 feet 2 inches, 75 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, wears glasses and was last seen wearing a dark blue jacket, red and grey shirt with unknown writing, dark blue pants, white or purple shoes. Police are looking for Ronald Lee Singer. He is a white male, 35 years old. Date of birth is October 21st, 1985, 5 feet 10 inches, 235 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes and grey shirt, with a blue bandana as a mask. The suspect is driving a black 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander with a Texas license plate number NLZ4205. The suspect was last heard from in Carrollton, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child is in grave and immediate danger. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of this child, please call the Carrollton Police Department at 972-466-3333. News media point of contact is Carrollton Police Department at 972-834-4880.